Imagine reaching your golden years only to find that your nest egg is far smaller than you need. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Unfortunately, this is the reality for over half of Americans today. Many are on the brink of retirement but feel unprepared and anxious about their financial future. The harsh truth is that 58% of American workers believe they're lagging in their retirement savings. Even more alarming is that 36% feel they're significantly behind. Baby boomers, those closest to retirement, are among the most affected. Almost 70% of them feel they're not where they should be financially. This isn't just a statistic. It's a looming crisis that could redefine the notion of a comfortable retirement. So, why are so many people falling short? There are three major reasons. First, the economic climate has been tough. High inflation and soaring interest rates have eroded purchasing power, making it harder to save. The weakening job market adds uncertainty, causing many to prioritize immediate needs over long-term savings. Additionally, market volatility has affected investment returns, making it harder for existing retirement funds to grow as expected. Economic uncertainties, such as trade tensions and global events, have led to financial instability. These factors collectively make long-term financial planning more challenging for individuals nearing retirement. Second, daily essentials have become more expensive. With the cost of living rising, people are dipping into what could have been retirement contributions just to cover basic expenses. This shift in priorities means less money is being set aside for the future. Moreover, wages have not kept pace with inflation for many, effectively reducing disposable income. Rising costs in healthcare, housing, and education are stretching budgets thin. This financial strain forces people to prioritize immediate necessities over saving for the future, further widening the retirement savings gap. Third, there's a lack of clear retirement goals. Many people don't know how much they'll need to retire comfortably. In fact, 24% of workers are unsure of their retirement savings target. Without a clear goal, it's challenging to create an effective savings plan. But it's not all doom and gloom. If you're worried about your retirement savings, here are 6 practical solutions to help you get back on track. Furthermore, limited financial literacy leaves many unsure about how to plan effectively. The complexity of retirement planning, including understanding investment options and potential tax implications, can be overwhelming. Without professional guidance or resources, setting and achieving retirement targets becomes even more difficult. First, start saving more. Now, it might sound obvious, but increasing your retirement contributions, even slightly, can make a significant difference over time. If you're currently saving 5 to 10% of your income, try bumping it up to 7 to 15%. The key is to start as soon as possible to maximize the benefits of compound interest. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your retirement account to make saving effortless and consistent. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into savings before you have a chance to spend it. Additionally, when you receive raises or bonuses, commit to allocating a significant portion of those increases to your retirement fund. Even small percentage boosts can accumulate significantly over time, enhancing your financial security without drastically impacting your current lifestyle. 2. Take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest means you earn interest not only on your initial savings but also on the interest those savings accrue. Over time, this can exponentially increase your retirement funds. Consistency is key when leveraging compound interest. Even modest regular contributions can grow substantially over decades. For instance, investing just $200 a month at a 6% annual return can grow to nearly $200,000 in 30 years. Reinvesting dividends and interest accelerates this growth even more. The magic lies in starting early and staying committed, allowing your money the maximum time to work for you, and potentially turning small savings into a substantial retirement fund. 3. Set a clear retirement goal. Determine how much money you'll need to retire comfortably. Consider factors like your desired lifestyle, healthcare costs, and life expectancy. Having a specific target makes it easier to create a roadmap to reach your retirement goals. Utilize retirement calculators or consult a financial advisor to estimate the amount you'll need based on your desired retirement age and lifestyle. Don't forget to factor in inflation, healthcare costs, and potential changes in Social Security benefits. Setting specific, measurable goals allows you to create a detailed savings plan with milestones to track your progress. Regularly review and adjust your goals to reflect changes in your income, expenses, or life circumstances, ensuring you stay on the right path. Fourth, educate yourself on retirement accounts. Learn about different retirement savings options like 401(k) plans and Roth IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages that can boost your savings. Make sure you're taking full advantage of any employer matches available to you. Dive deeper into the specifics of various retirement accounts to maximize your benefits. Understand the tax implications of traditional versus Roth accounts and how they fit into your overall financial plan. Be aware of annual contribution limits and catch-up provisions if you're over 50. Also, explore investment options within your accounts to ensure they're aligned with your risk tolerance and retirement timeline. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your retirement readiness. 5. Maximize your savings on a budget. Review your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Even small adjustments like dining out less or reducing subscription services can free up extra money to put toward your retirement. Create a detailed budget to track every dollar you earn and spend. Identify non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated, such as unused subscriptions or frequent dining out. Consider adopting cost-saving habits like meal prepping, using public transportation, or shopping during sales. Additionally, look for opportunities to increase your income, such as freelancing or part-time work, and dedicate that extra money directly to your retirement savings to accelerate your progress. Finally, number 6, prioritize retirement. Over immediate extras, it's essential to balance enjoying life now with planning for the future. Consider delaying non-essential purchases or vacations. Redirecting that money into your retirement fund can have a substantial impact over the long term. Practice mindful spending by evaluating the long-term impact of your purchases. Before making discretionary expenditures, ask yourself if they align with your retirement goals. Establish a balance by setting aside a smaller budget for leisure activities while focusing the majority of your financial resources on retirement savings. Remember, the sacrifices you make today can lead to a more comfortable and stress-free retirement, allowing you to enjoy your later years without financial worries. Remember, it's never too late to improve your financial situation. While the statistics are concerning, taking proactive steps now can help secure a more comfortable retirement. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, especially if they offer matching contributions. Free money towards your retirement shouldn't be left on the table. Also, consider delaying your retirement age to maximize Social Security benefits and allow more time to save. Meanwhile, if you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Smart Retiree for more insights on preparing for a better financial future.